Hello, I'm Ebere. Welcome to WebCodeTut. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a post for your WordPress website. What's a post? A WordPress post is a type of content that is used for creating blog articles, blog posts, news updates, or other information that needs to be updated frequently. What's the difference between a post and a page? A post is used for dynamic content, while a page is used for static content. For instance, your home page, your About Me page, content that doesn't need to be changed. If you need to get engagement from your viewers, for instance, comments on your blog post, then it's more recommended to use a blog post rather than a page, because with a page you cannot get engagement. So let's get started.
All right, so we are signed into the dashboard now, and I'm going to create a post. So let's click on the post button in the left corner and click add new. You can see the default post here, hello world, but we're going to click in add new. Now, if you are using the most recent version of WordPress, you are going to be seeing the block editor automatically. The classic editor is for older versions and for those who are not familiar with using the block editor, but we're going to be using the block editor. So here we're going to add the title. And we will choose a block. So to choose a block, press the slash sign and then type image. To get free images, you can go to unsplash.com or pexels.com to get free images. It's not always advisable to get images from Google, because when you do that, you could be infringing on someone else's copyright. So type in your keyword to search for the image. And then download the image. You can select the size and then download. So let's upload this image that we've just edited. Remember to optimize your image before you upload it to WordPress so that it doesn't take up too much space. So let's go to lipson.com to get boilerplate text. I'm going to copy 3 paragraphs. And okay. Okay, so let's paste it. Just Control and V to paste, or just right click and paste. It's there. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to create a subheading here. Now what happens is in a website, heading 1 is usually the main heading, and then the subheading starts from heading 2, that's H2 downwards, down to H6. H6 is really very small, so we don't usually use it. For H2 to H3, so we're going to use H2 here, and then as a subheading, I want to use H3 here. Just to see the difference. You can see the difference. Okay. And then we're going to create bulleted text here. So a list. Now with the block editor, if you want to make it a numbered list, you might need to use some code to do that. So I will show you how to do that in another video. How to use code for a numbered list. I'll show you how to do that in another video. But this is basically it. So welcome to my world. This is justified. Okay, if you want this text justified, the option is not here to justify text. So we will have to use code for that as well. And I'll show you in another video. Now to put text, insert text before the block that you are on. Click on the block. Click these 3 dots and then click insert before and then paste it there. And I want to make it drop cap. And then if you can also move text up or down if you want to. So click on the block that you are in, because these elements are called blocks. So click on this block that you're in and then move up or move down. Okay, so when you are done, come here to the post and then create a category. So categories can be used to define the type of content that you're talking about, while tags can be used for keywords with which to reference the content. So with a category, I'm going to add a new category and I'll say fresh content, and press enter. So it's added. And then I'm going to make it tags new, comma, welcome, comma, and anything that you use to reference the text such that it can be easily found. And when you're done, go down to featured image, set featured image. You can go to the media library and use the same image so that it will display on the blog list. Okay, it is good practice to describe the image that you're working with because of accessibility compatibility. So here I will say a happy lady holding an umbrella. I think that's it. And then for SEO practices, it's advisable to give it a name that is searchable. Okay, and then excerpt. If you want to put an excerpt here, that's fine. It's optional. Otherwise, WordPress will automatically select an excerpt based on your site settings. You can also decide if you want to allow comments on this post or not. But we are going to allow comments. Select the text that you want to make a post and then click on this button to change to a quote. So this is the quote and this is the citation. Okay. Okay. So it's a standard post now that we're making. And then click publish. You can also choose to make the visibility public, private, or password protected. You can also choose to schedule your post either today or tomorrow. Choose a date, an appropriate date, and then schedule your post. But when you are done, I'm going to leave it just as it is now, and I'll click publish. So let's view the post. Now you can make it such that the featured post will not display in the blog post. Now that depends on the theme that you're using. But this is the theme, and this is the post, and then someone can leave a comment. So now let's take a look at the page itself. When you click on the home page, it displays the blog posts that are on the site by default in chronological order, and the most recent one is usually on top. Now the most recent one is on top, and you can see the featured image is showing here, while the default post that came with WordPress when it was installed, hello world, that's what's showing below. So that's it. Now you know how to create posts on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.